Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by establishing a physical baseline and a clear intent. Stand with feet hip-width and distribute weight evenly so you're grounded. This prevents fidgeting. Once you've relaxed shoulders down 1/2 to 1 inch and softened your face, decide your single goal. Listen, persuade, or inform, so movements serve that aim. Make sure breathing is steady. A slow inhale before you speak stabilizes posture and voice. This first step primes your body to create controlled, purposeful signals immediately. Once grounded, shift into engagement with deliberate choices. Keep your torso open and arms uncrossed to show approachability. This is why people trust you more. When listening, incline 5 to 10 degrees forward and mirror gestures subtly after a 1 to 2 second pause so it feels natural, not robotic. Use hand gestures sparingly and with intent. Keep movements measured and show palms occasionally to convey honesty. Make sure your face follows your hands. Congruence between face and body sells authenticity. To finish, signal closure and leave a calm impression. Close with a slight forward nod and hold steady eye contact for 1.5 to 3 seconds to confirm understanding. Once complete, reset to your neutral stance. Relax shoulders and normalize breathing within about 5 seconds so you don't carry tension forward. If you notice stiffness or hurried gestures, pause, take 2 slow breaths, and use short micro-pauses before continuing. This recalibration prevents escalation and restores the right body language quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.